So over there is the entrance to Thrill Water Park, the paid part of the park, with the water towers or water slides. And there's a wave pool back there and a bunch of other things that you can do for paid. But the rest of the park, there's tons and tons of other free activities. So our goal for today was to enjoy the day and not spend any additional money other than our cruise fare, because we have young kids who probably won't fully appreciate it yet, but also because it was initially, before Black Friday deals, really expensive to go to this water park. So we just opted not to do it. So join us here on the island as we explore a bunch of free places and things to do. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. Here's another fantastic free activity, especially if you have young kids. It's a multi-story pirate ship with great photo ops, tons of slides crisscrossing into it. It's just a really awesome free activity. And the water cannons too. The kids love the water cannons.
And just up the path to the left from the pirate ship is a kids splash pad area that also has a ton of little slides that younger kids will love.
So this is Captain Jack's Bar. It's right off the main entrance. Really fun. They play great music here. And it definitely looks like they have a ton of alcohol choices and wings and fries as well. And then over here to the side, this is the lagoon area, right next to the bridge, where you can get some phenomenal photo ops of the boats parked at the dock. And over there is Skipper's Grill, where you're probably gonna have lunch. It's buffet style, just like on the boat. The food tastes pretty much the same as it will on your Royal Caribbean cruise. Next up, we're gonna check out Chill Island. Last time we were here, we didn't go over to this part, so I'm actually kind of excited to check it out and see what it looks like. Crossing the lagoon. Earlier, I couldn't think of the name of this area back here. It's called Harbor Lagoon. And the water, I was in it last year, the water is so salty. Literally some of the saltiest water I think I've ever tasted in my life. Not that I was trying to taste the water. So we've reached the end of the bridge, and it's not nearly as windy down here as it is up on the bridge. And they have the towel station straight ahead, Chill Beach, shore excursions, island market, and even a little map with an employee to show you where you're going. So very nice over here so far. So here's the actual Chill Island beach area. Pro tip, get here early because all of the chairs are full, which it doesn't even look like that would be possible given the number of chairs here. Off in the distance over there, you can see a Norwegian ship. Their island is right across from this one. Crystal clear blue waters. Very beautiful palm trees. Overall, highly recommend coming checking out this beach. Well, we had a good time at the beach. Our next stop is the Oasis Lagoon, and it's supposedly the largest, or one of the largest, freshwater pools in the country, I guess you call it. I don't know. I'll put the stats on the side over here. But yeah, it should be interesting. We were there last year and it was great. So this is down in the shallow end, away from the bar area. Definitely the more kid-friendly section of the pool. And here's all the Oasis Lagoon rules. So read up so you don't get kicked out. And I'm gonna go jump in the pool now. Let's take a short walk down the path here It said that this path leads to South Beach and Coco Beach Club. I like this path. The theming in this place is so on point as I almost fall. There better be a tropical paradise at the end of this road. Holy cow, this path is long. Oh my god, how long is this pathway? Alright, well, I'll turn you guys back on when we get to the end of this. Alright, we reached the South Beach area. It's got a really cool basketball court over there. Haven't seen one of those yet today. They've got a tropical beach bar thing over here. Really colorful looking shower. The water looks like it has a ton of seaweed in it. Let's go down and take a look. Alright, well this is really beautiful. They've got some private floating cabanas here with slides on them, which, that's gorgeous. Although it looks, I don't know what that is down there. That looks like seaweed to me. So if your private slide leads to seaweed, that may not be that fun. The sand is just gorgeous here. It's really soft and nice to walk on. There's not a lot of shells or seaweed or anything like that. And it looks like down there in the distance, that's either where they get the sand from to like replenish all these beaches, or maybe they're expanding Perfect Day. I don't know. They also have these little floating circles that people are sitting on, which is really cool. And then there's another floating bar down here. I mean, that just looks freaking cool, man. So yeah, this is the South Beach area. A quick tip for you. The front of the dock or pier where you come into the park is not where you catch the tram to get back out to the boat on the dock. For that, you have to come further up the pathway here. And it is a little bit of a walk, but not nearly as bad of a walk as going all the way back to the ship on your own 2 feet. Well guys, that was our free day at Coco Cay where we didn't pay for any of the extras. Hope you like the look around. Hopefully you use it on your trip. Give the video a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Really helps me out with the algorithm. See you next time at Coco Cay.